Welcome to Toy Story Land. How cute. There's Woody and he's holding some ornaments. So cute. Oh, this is the Slinky Dog Dash. Look how cool. There it is. There's Jessie. Oh my gosh. It's Bo Peep and Woody. Hello. Wow. So nice they're walking with that girl. That's so fun.
Bo Peep kind of had a dong.
Bo Peep is what?
Kind of had a dong.
Okay, Jessie's lassoing Rex. Rex! It's Rex! There's Rex. And there's Rex. Two Rexes, one shot. It's so cute. Here's Toy Story Mania.
Something like that.
Wow. I feel like I just got dumped out of Andy's toy box. Oh, here he comes, Slinky Dog. Woo! Hey guys! Hey! Midway Mania. Very cool. Here's the entrance to Slinky Dog. About to go on the ride. So cool. We're about to go on Slinky Dog Dash. Woo! Oh, we're on it. Is this the big finale? Go. Go. We're going back. What's gonna happen? Oh, here's the big finale. That was it.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road gets rough ahead and you're miles and out.
All right, so I just went on the Slinky Dog Dash, and it's so fun. It was so cute. I think it's such a great ride for young kids. It kind of reminded me of like an updated, smoother, more fun Gadgets Go Coaster from Toontown. Yeah, I really love like the slinky effect of the ride, and it was kind of unexpected in places, which was really cool. There were things that I wasn't. Oh, there it goes. There they go.
Slinky Dog is getting wound up.
Oh yeah.
Wagging his tail. There you go.
Here we go.
Cool. So cute here. It reminds me of A Bug's Land, but we're toys instead of bugs. Similar idea. So colorful here. Let's go check out the aliens this way. Excuse us. Hello. Yeah, I wonder, are these always Christmas lights everywhere? It's very possible. Oh, look at the alien ornaments. Oh, there's Jessie. She has on a holiday vest. That is so cute. That is so cute. Ooh, what's this ride? Wow. This looks kind of fun. Let's see. Oh, it's the alien swirling saucers. The entrance is this way. Look at the restroom, so cute. Look at those blocks. I didn't know Andy played with so many old school toys. Buzz. Here's alien swirling saucers. 10-minute wait. Sounds good to me.
We're on an alien.
All right, Rex and I just went on the alien swirling saucers. It was really fun. It was only a 10-minute wait, and it was only a 10-minute wait, and it was just like, if you've been to California Adventure and you've been to Cars Land, it was just like Mater's Tow Yard, which is super fun. So I loved it. And they play really cool, like, techno Toy Story music and techno Christmas music right now, so that's fun.